In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive. Now to do this, you want to go and click in the top right here on your profile icon, and then you want to click on company settings. Then you want to go to calendar sync over here on the left, and from here you want to type in your email address. So I'm going to do mine. Like this, there we go. And then whenever you do that, of course, this could be for like Google or whatever you want to use, and then you can click on connect account. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to take you to a separate page where you have to confirm it. So if you used Google, you'll have to authorize that by pressing continue, and then here, as you can see, it says I have some access already. That is because I've given it access before, but if you don't have that, you can just go ahead and check all permissions and then click on continue. Now whenever you do that, it's going to take you to calendar sync over here, and as you can see, it's going to ask you which sync you want. So we have a two-way sync and then one-way sync as well. So I'm going to go and use the two-way sync over here. And of course, you want to select the calendar, which is going to be this one. I'm going to click on next. And then over here, you want to select the visibility. So I'm going to do only to me. And then, of course, the private event is going to be only to me as well. Now over here, you can go and basically see kind of the preview. You can then click on next. And then over here, you have to define how external events appear in Pipedrive. So they can be meetings, calls, whatever. I'm going to do meeting over here. And then you have the activity types. I'm going to leave all of these in here. If you do not want any of these, you could just uncheck them and you're good to go. Then click on Start Sync down here, bottom right, and that's essentially how to use a two-way sync calendar in Pipedrive. So this is now syncing, and whenever it's done, you'll get the access. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.